Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's me again, Melay. So for today's video guys, we're gonna talk about how to assemble or to prepare the I-129F package. But before that, kung bago ka lang dito sa channel ko, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and i-hit mo na din yung bell notification dyan sa baba guys para updated kayo sa mga videos ko pang gagawin. So hi guys! So, andito ka sa video na to kasi nagpa-file kayo ng K1 visa at hindi mo alam kung paano isunod-sunod yung package ninyo guys. So, like what I said, isi-share ko sa inyo guys how to assemble or to prepare your I-129F package guys. But before that, disclaimer lang, I'm not a visa expert guys. Lahat ng sasabihin ko, ito lang yung experience namin ng fiancé ko or ito yung ginawa ng fiancé ko nung nag-file siya ng K1 visa for us. So, yes, now isi-share ko sa inyo kung paano ninyo gagawin yun guys. First, you need to prepare the payment as required by USCIS. So, use a personal check so you can track the payment. Money orders are also accepted, guys. So, it's fine. Kung check yung gamit mo, guys, sa first mo yan siya ilagay. Sa ibabaw guys. Siya sa yung pinakaibabaw. So, next guys, is cover letter. So, cover letter should include a description of what you are petitioning of I-29F. A table of content, list everything in the packet, guys. If you need additional room to explain your case, attach a separate sheet. Make sure to sign and date the cover sheet, guys. Kung meron kayong i-attach na ibang explanation. So, next, first sa ibabaw, the check, guys, the payment. And the second is the cover letter, guys. And the third is the form 129F. Yes, the petition for alien fiancé. Pangatlo, guys, the third guys mo siya ilagay. And next, the fourth is the original statements. The original statement, guys, from both of the U.S. citizen and foreign fiancé certifying of intent to marry within 90 days of entering the U.S. on a valid K1. Okay? The letter intent to marry, guys, and a letter of intent to marry, guys, yung pang-apat. Form I-29F, then original statements, which is the intent to marry letter. And then the fifth, guys, pang-limang filing. Diba? First is the payment. Next is the cover letter, included the list, guys. And then next is the form I-29F sa pangatlo. And the fourth is the original statements, which is the letter of intent to marry to both of you guys. And then the fifth is the proof of having met in past 2 years. So dito na yun papasok yung guys, yung mga proof of relationship ninyo, guys. So to organize this, you can create a single type page with the following elements, guys, like title the page, evidence of the person meeting in the last 2 years. Like, i-indicate mo talaga kung ano yun. I-indicate mo doon. So, pang-lima to, guys, sa proof of showing met in past 2 years. So, i-indicate mo lahat doon yung, like, for example, it's a pictures together. Put the description and date when you met. Doon, guys. And what you doing in that day. And list of evidence you are providing, guys. And your printed name, signature, and date. So, yan yung kailangan mo, guys. Yan yung kailangan na importanteng ilagay mo at the end sa proof of met in past 2 years, guys. So, provide you listed, guys. Provide all you listed for the proof of the meeting in past 2 years. So, next, guys, pang-anim. After that, the proof of relationship for the sixth, guys, sixth layer. Passport, one passport type of photo, which is 2x2. 2x2, guys, you need to write the full name of the U.S. citizen on the back. Place in a plastic bag and label the bag. Okay? Label the bag, guys. Like, for example, 2x2 pictures. Write the name at the back of your 2x2, and then put it in the zip bag, and then write it 2x2, or petitioner 2x2, like that. And then attach the bag sheet of the paper on the I-29F form in the front, guys. Ilagay mo doon. Tapos, next, for your passport, passport, 2x2 passport type photo ng fiancé mo na foreign, like the Filipina or what, ano man siya. So, the same sa ginawa doon sa fiancé mo. Put it in the zip bag, also the small, first write your name at the back of your 2x2, and then put it in the plastic bag, and then zip it. So, number 8, guys, is copy the birth certificate front and back, guys. So, for the US citizen, or copy all the pages of the US citizenship passport bio page, guys. Issued with a validity of at least 5 years. So, kailangan 5 years yung validity ng bio page passport ng fiancé nyo, guys. So, yun yung number 8 na ilalagay mo. And then, the next, number 9 is copy of final divorce decree certificate of US citizen. If the previous marriage of the US citizen ended due to the death of their spouse, then include a copy of that certificate documenting the fact. So, both of you, if both of you is patay na yung ano, guys, patay na yung husband nyo or wife ninyo before. So, kailangan ninyong i-provide yung death certificate both. Pero kung ikaw naman is single at si fiancé is single, you don't need to worry about it. Pero kung si fiancé mo sa US is divorce, kailangan niya i-provide yung divorce decree. Copy lang, guys. Copy lang yung kailangan dito. So, kailangan niya ilagay yung divorce decree certificate. Lahat, guys, ha. Kung tatlo yung naging asawa niya dati, tatlong tatlong divorce decree yung kailangan na i-provide ninyo. Kung patay yung isa, kailangan din niya ng death certificate. Lahat. So, and next is proof of legal name change. If your fiancé is nagpapalit ng pangalan before, kailangan niya din ilagay yung, ano, guys, yung proof doon sa nagpapalit ng pangalan. So, yun yung number 10. So, number 11, so, in regard to part 3 of the 129F, if applicable, provided certified copies of all court and police records showing the change and disposition for a specified conviction. So, sa pinaka-11, doon mo siya ilagay lahat ng mga court record, police record, doon yung next. Doon yung, ano, next na filing sa number 11 na stage na. And then, guys, yan yung pinakalas. Yung pinakalas na page, pinakalas ng package, guys, yun yung mga documents na mga police record, court record, lahat-lahat ng record ng fiancé mo, guys, for criminal record. Sa pinakalas na yan. And, take note, guys, make 2 copies. Before ninyo siya isi-send, make 2 copies, guys. Kailangan nyo siyang i-xerox ba or i-scan before ninyo i-send. So, make it sure you have copied all of that requirements na binigay ninyo sa package, guys, na isi-send ninyo sa USCIS. So, yun lang lahat ang kailangan mo, guys. Sana nasundan ninyo ako. So, payment first, then pasok yung cover letter, guys. Next yung cover letter, and then yung form 129F, then yung original statement ninyo, which is the letter intent to marry within 90 days, yung dalawa ninyo. Then yung proof of having met in past 2 years, yun yung pang-5 stage, guys. And next for that sa ilalim yung mga, and next, guys, is yung passport ninyong dalawa. Ibilagay ninyo dun sa front ng, ano, guys, sa front ng sa front ng form ng I-29F. Doon nyo i-clip ninyo yun, guys. And next is ang next nung, ano, guys, next nung proof of having met in past 2 years relationship, guys, na ano, next nun is ang copy ng birth certificate ng fiancé mo at bio page ng fiancé mo at bio page mo, passport bio page. And next is ang copy ng final divorce decree certificate of citizenship or certificate for US citizen previous marriage, guys. At kung ikaw din as anal, you need to put that also there, guys. At kung patay na yung asawa mo before, you need to provide it also, and your partner also need to a copy of that certificate. So, pero kung wala naman, you don't need that. You don't need that, guys. And more evidence na patay na nga yung mga fiancé nyo, yung mga asawa nyo before. More evidence for that, guys. Like pictures na nasa kabaong ba or ganun. Kailangan yung ilagay mo lang sa plastic. So, ika-9 level yun, guys, galing sa taas pa ganun. So, next is, and yung ano, guys, kung legal of change name, nag-change name kayo, kailangan din ninyo yung certificate na yun. And the last is yung mga police clearance, yung pinakababa na talaga yun, yung mga police record, mga court record, doon nyo ilagay. Sana nakuha ninyo, guys, lahat ng sinabi ko. At, guys, make it sure talaga na may copy kayo before ninyo i-send sa packet. At ready na yan, isi-send nyo na yan sa USCIS, guys, kapag meron na kayo niyan lahat na naka-file galing sa taas pa ganun. Sana nasundan nyo lahat yung sinabi ko. So, guys, thank you for watching. Sana nakatulong ako at good luck sa inyong lahat. At be strong and stay in love. So, bye-bye! Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, at i-hit mo na din yung bell notification din sa baba, guys, para updated kayo sa mga videos ko pa ang gagawin. Bye-bye!